Assalamu alaikum. I'm here on stage of Ali English House Academy taking interview of our students. Let me speak to this Madrasa boy. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
What's your name?
My name is Muhammad Afid.
Muhammad Afri. Where is your house?
My house is in Dipur Tumkur.
Okay. So where you are studying?
My studying Jamia Sayyidin Ahmad bin Malik Botanic School.
Okay. Who is your husband?
My husband is Wasim Hazrat.
Okay. What you are studying? Aida or Nazira?
Nazira.
Nazira. Okay. How many chapters?
7 para.
7 para you completed. MashaAllah. So what do you want to become? Like the Hafiz or
Hafiz, Alim and engineer.
MashaAllah. That's great. And about your favorite? Who is your best friend?
Tasagir.
Tasegir is your best friend. Okay. What is your favorite food?
Chicken biryani.
What is your favorite color?
White.
Sorry? White. Okay. What is your favorite place? Tourist place? Like Dubai or Saudi Arabia?
Saudi Arabia.
Okay, MashaAllah. It was nice talking to you and all the best for your future.
Assalamu alaikum.
Okay.